Okay, so what if you could build an e-commerce business that pretty much runs itself? Today, we are diving deep into how to start a completely automated TikTok shop. And I'm not kidding, this is a side hustle that has the potential to genuinely change your financial future. And look, that quote you're seeing, that's not just some random hype. It's the real deal. People are making thousands every single day. We're talking about brand new stores just exploding overnight. It's happening because the whole e-commerce game is changing, and right now, TikTok is at the absolute forefront. So, why is this so appealing, especially if you're just starting out? Well, it comes down to some massive advantages. Think about it. You hold zero inventory. You don't ship a single thing yourself. The entire business can be automated, which means you get your time back. Plus, you can start with little to no money, and you guessed it, work from literally anywhere. All right, so here's our game plan for today. We're going to walk through 6 simple steps. We'll start with why this is a gold rush opportunity, then break down exactly what this automated model is. After that, we get into the nitty-gritty, setting up your shop, finding products, and, the best part, getting sales without spending a dime on ads. And we'll wrap up with the most crucial piece, how to build a real, lasting brand. First up, why is this happening right now? You have to understand, TikTok is basically in an all-out war with e-commerce giants like Amazon. They are pouring insane amounts of resources into becoming the place to shop online. And what that means for you is they're rolling out the red carpet for new sellers to jump in and find success. It's a huge window of opportunity. So how does this all work without your garage being stuffed with boxes? That brings us to the magic behind it all, the automated store model. So what exactly is TikTok shop automation? Think of it like this. You're the storefront, but you don't have a stockroom. You sell products directly on TikTok. And the second an order comes in, a third-party supplier takes over. They handle the packing, the shipping, everything. You literally never even have to touch the product. And here's the biggest difference compared to, say, starting your own Shopify store. If you build a website, it's 100% on you to get people to visit. You have to run ads, do SEO, all of it. With TikTok Shop, you're plugging into a system that's already got millions of users. The platform's algorithm and its army of affiliates are actively working to bring customers to you. That's a game changer. Okay, let's get our hands dirty. It's time to set up your actual shop. And trust me, this part is way easier than you probably think. So you're going to head over to the TikTok Seller Center. It's a simple 4-step process. First, pick your region, like North America. Then sign up with an email. I'd recommend a new one just for the business. When it asks for business type, just choose individual or sole proprietorship to start. That just means it's you. Finally, you'll need to verify your identity for tax stuff. Super straightforward. TikTok walks you right through it. Okay, your shop is officially open for business. But what are you going to sell? And how do you make the whole fulfillment thing happen automatically? This is where we bring in the brains of the operation, a special automation tool. A tool like AutoDS is basically the engine that makes this whole thing run on autopilot. It plugs right into your TikTok shop and does 3 main things for you. It helps you find products that are actually selling, it completely automates your orders, and it connects you to the suppliers who will ship everything out. Now, for finding products, these tools have some awesome features. First up is a library of hand-picked products. It's updated every single day with items that are already proven to be winners. And they give you all the juicy data, profit margins, target audience, even what your competition is up to. The next tool is, well, it's pretty powerful. It's called an ad spy. It lets you literally spy on what's trending in ads across TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. You can see what's getting tons of views and engagement, so you know exactly what's grabbing people's attention right this minute. And the third one is my favorite. It's all about catching trends before they peak. It shows you what's going viral on TikTok itself. You can see exactly what's selling, how many have sold, and for how much. I mean, what's better than finding a product that's already blowing up on the exact platform you're selling on? It's a no-brainer. So let's just recap how that automatic fulfillment works. It's a simple 3-step process. Step 1, a customer buys from your TikTok shop. Boom. Step 2, your automation tool instantly uses a balance you've preloaded to buy that exact item from the supplier. Step 3, the supplier ships it straight to your customer. You do nothing. It's completely hands-off. All right, shop's set up, products are in there. Now for the million-dollar question. How do you get people to actually buy? Your first instinct might be to run ads, right? Wrong. That's actually not the best way to go here. Here's the deal. For beginners, paid ads can be a huge waste of money.
The real power, the secret sauce, is in organic marketing. You're going to use the incredible built-in tools that TikTok gives you for free. And the number one tool in your organic marketing toolbox is the TikTok Shop affiliate program. This is genius. Here's how it works. Creators on TikTok can find your products in a special marketplace. They then make videos promoting your stuff to their audience, completely for free. You only pay them a small commission if and only if they make a sale. And the best part? If one of those videos goes viral, it creates this huge snowball effect where tons of other affiliates jump on the trend, and your sales can just explode. Okay, last section, and this one might be the most important. Let's talk about the long game. Because making a bunch of sales is awesome, but building a real, lasting asset, that's where the life-changing money is. So that leads to a really critical question. Is a TikTok Shop by itself enough? I mean, think about it. Are you really comfortable building your entire empire on land you don't own? What happens if TikTok changes the rules overnight? This is why the ultimate goal isn't just to have a TikTok Shop. It's to build a whole brand around it. That means you also have your own separate online store. You're building an Instagram page, maybe a YouTube channel. You diversify. This protects you from any platform changes and turns what started as a side hustle into a real, valuable company. So as we wrap this up, I want to leave you with one final question to really think about. Are you just trying to build a side hustle for some extra cash? Or are you trying to build a real asset, something you could actually sell one day for a huge payout? Because knowing the answer to that from day one, well, that's the difference between chasing a trend and building a truly life-changing business.